What is going on, apes? We got some crazy stuff to talk about today. Things are really heating up, and as always, we're going to get right to it. But before we do, go ahead and smash that like button to get this video out to as many apes as possible. And of course, if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we do want you to join our growing ape family. And tap that bell while you're at it so you get notified as soon as I drop a video. That way you can keep up to date with everything. But enough of that. Let's go ahead and get into the video. What is going on, Ape Nation? So we've got a few things to talk about today. I want to address some FUD that's been going around on YouTube, also that's been going around on Reddit. Now, it seems that the FUD's been taken care of on Reddit, but on YouTube, there's a couple of videos, maybe 2 or 3, that I saw come out that are still talking about this same situation. And it's already been debunked, so I'd like to debunk it here for any of my viewers or subs, any of my ape family that have maybe ran across these videos and are concerned. About May 21st, I believe it was, some stuff came out on Reddit about Adam Aaron, and it was basically saying that Adam Aaron is linked to Citadel because he's on the board of directors for a company called Centricus, which supposedly Citadel owns. So let's take a look at the filing for Centricus. So if you take a look, okay, this is a Form SC13G, Citadel Advisors LLC Statement of Acquisition of Beneficial Ownership by Individuals. I believe there's 3 parties that are listed on here. Now, this number right here, 2,697,027 shares. Take a look here. Another one for 212,550 shares. And I believe the third one is about the same. But let's scroll to the bottom so I can show you guys the names on here. Anyhow, name of issuer, Centricus Acquisition Corporation. Okay. And what Centricus Acquisition is, it's a SPAC company, special purpose acquisition company. They're basically, and if you've been following this channel for a while, then you guys already know what a SPAC is. It's basically a blank shell company that's used in order to take another company public. So for the other company to kind of raise some capital, go public, it's a much cheaper option for the other company to use to go through a SPAC rather than doing an IPO. But anyhow, back to this. So item 4, ownership, Citadel Advisors LLC, Citadel Advisors Holdings LP, and Citadel GP LLC. So the number of shares at each Citadel Advisors LLC, Citadel Advisors Holdings LP, and Citadel GP LLC may be deemed to beneficially own constitutes approximately 7.8% of the Class A ordinary shares outstanding. Then B is Citadel Securities LLC, 212,550 Class A ordinary shares. And then C is CALCIVLP and Citadel Securities GP LLC, another 212,550 Class A ordinary shares. So because of this, people were saying that Adam Aaron is tied to Citadel, and the reason they're saying that is because if we go to the Centricus website, okay, scroll to the bottom here, or scroll a little lower, you're looking at the board of directors, right? So we see we've got Manfredi, something Video, I don't even know how to pronounce that, I'm not going to try. We've got Garth Ritchie, Christina Levis, Nicholas Taylor, and what do we have here? Adam Aaron. Holy cow. Is it the same Adam Aaron? Well, let's find out. Mr. Aaron brings to the board significant business and executive leadership experience, including 28 years of experience as a chief executive officer, 33 years of experience as a corporate director, and 42 years of experience in consumer engagement. He has served since January of 2016 as chief executive officer, president, and a director of AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated. AMC is the world's largest movie theater company. Okay. Now, before you freak out, guys, okay, let's see what this really means. So if you'll take a look at the date of this 8K, which is where the Centricus Acquisition Corporation change in directors or principal officers was reported or filed, that's May 7th, 2021. And actually, I'm getting this from an article that's sourcing the 8K. But anyhow, on May 6th, 2021, Centricus Acquisition Corp the company announced the election of Mr. Adam Aaron, or Adam M. Aaron, as a new director of the company. Mr. Aaron has been appointed to serve on the audit committee, the nominating committee, and the compensation committee of the company, with such appointment effective upon his becoming a director of the company. So the next thing that I want to bring your attention to is actually, we're going to go back to that 13G filing, and that's when Citadel took a stake, or that 7.8% stake in Centricus. So as you can see here on your screen, that was 5/24/2021, so May the 24th. So what that would mean is that 18 days before Citadel took their stake in this company, Adam Aaron was already elected to the board of directors. So in other words, Adam Aaron was already on the board of directors here, and then Citadel just happened to take a stake in this company. And that's probably nothing but a coincidence. I don't see any significance here. Essentially, Adam Aaron doesn't have any control over who takes a position in this company, who buys shares, or anything like that. What I think the likely scenario is here, and you guys tell me if I'm wrong, or tell me if you guys think that this makes sense in the comments below, but here's what I'm thinking. You know, and we can see it all over everybody's comments, even my own comments. There's a bunch of people that are interfering and trying to basically spread FUD in order to make us sell out of our positions. And I think you guys know that it's happening everywhere on all platforms, in the comments, all over YouTube, everywhere. So what I think is a likely scenario is that Ken Griffin or Citadel, they took a position in this company, or bought a stake in this company, because Adam Aaron was on the board of directors, and then they could use that in order to spread FUD and kind of try to get the apes to sell out of their positions by tricking these dumb apes into believing that something was going on, that Adam Aaron was working with Ken Griffin at Citadel. So tell me if that makes sense. Tell me if you think I'm just a dumb ape and I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. But either way, tell me something in the comments below, because I'm really anxious to hear your answers. While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools, and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe, because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.